Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 16.4.1 battery draining and heating issue on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on raise to wake. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap display and brightness. Display and brightness page, turn on automatic, scroll down, turn on rise to wake. Solution number 2. Turn off background app, refresh other apps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap other one app, click on YouTube, tap background app, refresh, turn off. Solution 3. Turn off location service. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location service, turn off location service, again turn off, then go back, tap tracking, turn off allow apps to request to track, ask app to stop tracking. Thanks for watching this video.